Kyle from WeTechCareOfYou, and today I'm just going to show you this very quick video on just adding and removing members to your Microsoft 365 security group. So these are security groups in the admin center, and what we're going to do is we're going to use Power Automate to add and remove these members. Now, I've got Power Automate Flow open here, which I've just pre-created. I'll just quickly run through the steps. So these are the out-of-the-box Office 365 groups steps. And basically, if you've got your drop down, if you haven't got the security group present there, what you need to do is you need to get the group ID. So this is what I have to do. So to get the group ID, if you select onto the security group, so you've got that open, and if you can see in the URL at the top here, you need to get this ID of the group. So before that slash, I've actually seen others where there's no slash at the end. Basically, I've had to get this one. And you put that in, so that's the group ID. And then for the user printable name, I'm just using this test account. Now, what I've done for this flow is I'm using the add member to group, so it's going to add this member, so this user account, into this security group, and then I've just put a 20-second delay, and then I'm just using the remove member from group, so it'll just remove that member from the same group, just so you can see it in action. So let's just save this. As you can see, there's no members in the group at the moment. So if I just test this, so I'm going to manually run it. Okay, so that's added the member to the group. So now if I just come in here, refresh the page, and go to members. Let me refresh it again, sorry. And go to members. There you can see now that test WeTechCareOfYou account is the member in that group because of the flow that's added it. Now that's actually ran and removed the member, so now if I just check back, that should actually be removed. Sorry about that slight delay. So now if I just refresh that, you can see there's no members in that group. So that's just to show you how it's been added, how it's been removed. 2 security groups in the admin center. I hope this video helps someone. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and take care. Thank you.